back to my channel. I am Samina. Today we draw these 6 delicious fruits. Wow, Pomegrate looks very good. Dark green in leaves. Brown. Yellow in mango.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Wow!
Won't you sing with me?
Dark green.
A B C D E F G H I J
Brown color.
L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and
Red color in apple.
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Wow, looks great. Red apple looks very delicious. Dark green in leaves. Yellow. Light green. Dark green. Wow, grapes looks very nice. Brown color. Fresh red in cherry. Wow, looks great. Last fruit is banana. Yellow color in banana. My favorite fruit is apple and pomegranate. Kids, which is your favorite fruits? Wow, kids, our sixth delicious fruit is ready. I hope you will like this video very much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.